Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a purple New Year's Eve glam look. I'm just starting off by blending a bit of pink in my crease. Next, I'm taking a purple and blending that in my crease as this will be the main focus and color. Next, I'm taking a dark purple and putting that on the outer corner just to deepen up the outer edge and the crease. Now I'm taking a bit of black to deepen it up even more and give it that glam and depth that everybody loves. And now taking some of my favorite concealer and just cutting half of my crease and making sure to blend the concealer out. Now I'm taking a shimmery lilac purple shade and applying that all over my lid. Taking the purple from our outer corner to make sure to blend the cut crease in with the rest of the lid. And now I'm taking the Cover FX glitter and placing that to make it even more glam and sparkly. Make sure to blend out that edge. Off camera, I added some winged eyeliner and some lashes to complete the eye. Now I'm just blending out my foundation with my beauty blender. Recently I've been loving blending out my concealer with my fingers, so I'm doing that now. Cream contouring for a more natural but sculpted look. I'm putting some cream blush for a natural but really pretty flush twist, and setting everything in place with my Coty Airspray. Taking some bronzer to warm up my skin and make that contour stand out, and a little more blush never hurt anybody. Just using some cream highlight and topping it off with powder highlight to make it even more intense. And now I'm smoking out the lash line with the purple we used in our crease and adding some black on my waterline for an intense smoked out look. And I just added a purplish pink nude lip, and that completes the look.